Wind turbines are a fragile piece of innovation. There are many factors that go into one reaching critical failure, but one that is often overlooked is the humble bird. Most birds' perception of color differs from that of humans. What might seem like a bright white turbine to us could actually be almost invisible to many of the winged animals. In fact, it's estimated that birds strike wind turbines roughly 600,000 times a year. These impacts often cause significant damage to the blades of turbines and disproportionately affect the population of birds in areas surrounding the wind farms.
Luckily, we have a solution: the Blast Infrasound and Red Light Deterrent System, or BIRDS for short.
Our first design element is the inclusion of red LEDs on the blades of the turbine. This is because birds see red more prominently than any other color, and red lights are shown not to contribute to light pollution in any harmful way. By making the turbine more visible to them, we hope to cut back on accidental impacts.
However, if a large flock of birds is flying near or towards a turbine, the lights may not be enough to deter them. Our second design element is an ultrasonic sensor that can detect an incoming flock of birds. If birds are detected, speakers are set to create an infrasonic blast. Infrasonic sound is below the human hearing range. However, it is believed that most birds are able to hear and respond to the sound. If the sensor detects a flock of birds within a critical range, a loud blast of infrasonic sound is produced. This will hopefully deter a flock while being undetectable to nearby people.
Because the preventative measures are not guaranteed, a possibility of a bird collision will always remain. Should a strike occur, we have a shock sensor on board to detect an impact. If this happens, an alert can be sent to another location warning of the detection and possible damage.
Alone, these elements play a small role in preventing bird encounters. However, we believe that once brought together in an integrated system, our combination of deterrent methods, detection sensors, and monitoring systems will largely decrease the frequency of bird-related damages and efficiency losses.
It's important to reduce the number of birds hitting wind turbines, as just one hit from a bird can leave dirt and other residue that can reduce the turbine's efficiency significantly. Although AEP's new wind farm is stationed in Oklahoma, the state's birds are common across the country, so should these designs prove successful, they could be implemented in turbines throughout the nation, improving the effectiveness of wind energy and saving the lives of countless feathered friends.